Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today I thought I would show you something that I am doing. I found some new little packaging that I can mail out, and these are, let me get just an empty one. So this is a finished product. It's called Pacific Coast. It's like when you're driving up the Pacific Coast Highway and you have the smell of the ocean, and then literally across the street you have the forest. That is what this is. It's a blend of like being in the forest with the ocean right there. Because I've been there. That's what inspired this. Is I had a trip years and years ago, and I just remember the two of those aromas coming together, and I was like, whoa, this is crazy amazing. So it's called Pacific Coast. So this packaging is as you can see, it's a Ziploc, but this is, I did research on this, and it's really, I think it's way higher end where it locks in. The zip is really pretty amazing, and it will absolutely lock in, and it locks in aromas. Actually, where I found it is people use this to put their pot in, their marijuana in, and when you close it, dogs are not able to, they did testing, dogs are not able to smell it. So it really keeps the stuff in, but I got it in because I wanted to put, obviously, my fragrance in here and it not leak. So it closes really, really well. You can see that it has this right here to be able to tear it open. And it tears well. I have one that I already tore open. I'm trying to reach it. Here we go. So Vanilla Night, which is gorgeous, by the way. Oh my God. So I ripped that open. And then, so the other important thing about this is that it's resealable. So once you open it, you can reseal it. But I have, well, I have these. I put 3 or 4 of these inside here, so you can use one at a time if you want, and I put enough in here for like 3 or 4 days worth, which actually would probably last you longer than 3 or 4 days. It's really probably 6 days worth. But anyway, so they fit in here perfectly. And the other thing about it is that you can put 3 of these in an envelope with a stamp and mail it out. So, like this is, so with that you can, it's kind of a sample, but it's more of a sample. It's not a one-time, you rip it open, you have to use it right then or it's going to evaporate. These you can seal back, and you have several of these to dab on wherever, and then you can reclose it and it's not going to evaporate. That's why it took me a while to find these that really close really, really well. It's almost like heavy duty industrial type of Ziploc, and it's just, I don't know, to me it's really high end. I really like it a lot. So then I got the same exact press or seal closure that Alora and Vivian have, and I seal it right below this hole here. I seal right below it, but right above the 2 notches. So I do a seal right through here, so when I'm sending it out, it's totally sealed, and you open it up and then you can close it back, and you can sample it over a few days to see if you like it. And then some people are like, I want these because I want to travel with them, or I like these because I want to try a whole bunch of different ones. So that is one way you can try some of my stuff, is this, and they are $4 each, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So and they're made in America. I think what state, I can't remember, Oregon, I can't remember, but it's 2 ladies who have these, and so I support them with that. And I really, really like the quality a lot. And I got black just because of my labels being white. So it just took me a while to find that. So I just wanted to share that with you. And also, let me just go over Timbersilk. You know, it's kind of funny. I went through all my videos and I have not gone over Timbersilk before, which is crazy. I've talked about it a lot, but I've never like done a whole video on Timbersilk. So here I go. So it is restricted at 20%. It is 48 hours. I don't even need a test strip on this. I know this one so well. This is so warm and rounding. It's kind of wood and amber. It's almost 50% wood, 50% amber. It's powerful, but it's silky soft, and silky soft is absolutely the description for it. It is, to me, not like ISO Super in the fact that this is more powerful. To me, it's more rounding. It has more aroma up front. So it's kind of like, let's just say ISO Super is one of the ones that you use to be rounding in your feminine fragrances. Yes, you can. I hesitate in using that because yes, you can use it in a men's fragrance. I know that. I get that. I understand. But what I'm saying is this is like softer. This is a middle note, or to me, this is more of the base. But it's just not the same aroma at all. This has almost a slight floral and way less wood, and a little bit of amber. But this is like half amber, half wood. So it's like the ISO Super for men. If you're, and I don't care. That's how I feel. It's like ISO Super for men. The Timbersilk is. Not that you can't put it in a women's fragrance. I can't tell you how many formulas I have specifically created for women that have Timbersilk in it. So I get that. But I'm just saying, if you need a simple way to explain what's the difference in the two, you need both of them because they're both different. This has more aroma that's up front that you can smell, where this is sometimes some people get nothing from this. I do. I can smell it just like this. Some people can't. This is another one of those materials that's like that. This, you can absolutely smell it with ease, but this is your rounder. When you need to soften something up or round something off, it's gotten just a little too sharp. I am telling you, it influences. It is a worker material because it will round your whole entire formula, your whole fragrance. It will warm it up and round it out. God, it's my go-to. I have a problem with Timbersilk that I want to use it in every formula. That's my problem with it. I'm like, I put it in every single formula. I need to make a formula without it. Oh, I really love this one. Like some people love ISO Super. Timbersilk is my go-to, and it is wood silk, a silky wood Timbersilk. It is absolutely a must-have. If you are watching this video, you have to get Timbersilk. I promise you, you will not be upset. You will love it. I'm telling you, you will absolutely love it. You cannot go wrong with this one. It's a must-have. How could you do this? I can't imagine you doing this stuff without Timbersilk. I can't. It's beautiful. Give me a category. White florals, red floral, yellow floral, wood, musk. whatever, it doesn't matter. This is going in there, and this is it will only enhance whatever you're doing. I have and would wear this by itself. It's beautiful. I could do formulas, just two materials, this and I don't know, whatever else. I could make a formula with it. This and what's one of the ones I love? Oh, Blackwood. Together, I am good to go. The end. Gorgeous. Then I could take like my soft floral accord that I made. Mostly this and a tiny bit of this. Good to go. That's the formula right there. Just, it's beautiful. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I made my own animal amber accord. And these two, it's the formula. The end. Just beautiful. It's just that amazing. I love it. Yeah. The other thing that it says that I didn't say is it imparts fullness. And I think I kind of described that earlier, but it will take the whole formula. It's like a worker material as well as being beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it. So anyway, I appreciate you joining me, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics.